Hi, Aloha Yellow 6. Today in Language Arts, we are going to go over rhyme scheme patterns. Okay, so we are going to take a look, first of all, at our rhyme scheme resource slides. So we're going to go and look at slides number 20 and 21. Now on slide 20, it explains what a rhyme scheme is. The pattern of rhymes at the end of lines of a poem or song. So let's take a look at the next slide, slide 21, and let me blow it up a little bit for you to see. So with this rhyme schemes, if we're looking at what it ends with, it says roses are red, and you notice the letter A, because red. Violets are blue. Blue does not rhyme with red, so it's B. So now let's think of another phrase that can rhyme with red because you notice it's A. So how about, and you're going to type it in, like COVID will spread. Okay, see how the word spread rhymes with red. So roses are red, violets are blue, COVID will spread, and the letter C means it does not need to rhyme with red, blue, and spread, because spread and red. So something that doesn't rhyme with the first three. So how about roses are red, violets are blue, COVID will spread here. So keep your distance. Okay, so this is an example of a rhyme scheme. So if you notice, A would be for the red, B for blue because it doesn't rhyme with that. Spread rhymes with red, that's why it's A, and distance doesn't rhyme with red or blue or spread, so that's why it's a letter C. Okay, this is an example of a rhyme scheme. So anytime you see, like here, A, B, A, B. So when I create my examples, I'm going to look for an example that rhymes with red and then an example that rhymes with blue. So I could put down something like roses are red, violets are blue. How about people are dead, because dead rhymes with red. Oh, that sounds pretty sad. People are dead. Okay, to rhyme with blue. So take care of you. Okay, so you notice how red and dead rhymes. That's why it's A. Blue and U rhymes. That's why it's B and B. Okay, that's a great example. Okay, so in the next rhyme scheme example, you have roses are red, violets are blue. We're going to have something different because there's a letter C, and then the B will rhyme with blue. So how about the most common one we hear often? Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And because sweet doesn't rhyme with red and blue. And so are you. Okay, and you is a B because it rhymes with blue. So roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay, so these are an example of the rhyme schemes. So in your resource, if you do the practice examples, and you can make up your own to practice, please, and do that. Try to practice on your own. Then let's take a look at the assignments, and this is what you're going to do. On the assignments, you're going to start with slide number 16. Rhyme scheme. So the direction is, read the following poems by Ken Nesbitt. For each poem, you're going to identify the rhyme scheme and write it below the poem. Okay, so let's read the first one. My cat is nice. My cat likes mice. My cat is fat. I like my cat. Okay, so nice and mice, does that rhyme? If it rhymes, yeah, you're going to put A, right? Because cat and mice are the same. Let's see if I can make that a lower A. A. Okay, and then fat does not rhyme with nice or mice. So let's go and put a B, right? And then cat, does it rhyme with fat? Yes. So this is the rhyme scheme. A, B, B. So that's what you're going to do. You are going to type the rhyme scheme for each of this. So in the next one, you see nice and fat. So nice is A. Always start off with the letter A. Fat doesn't rhyme with nice, right? So it is going to be a B. Then mice rhymes with nice, so it goes back to an A. And cat rhymes with fat, so it is a B. So that would be your rhyme scheme. Okay, so you're going to continue doing this for the rest of this page. Okay, then go to page 17, and page 17 is going to be a poem. For each poem, you're going to identify the rhyme scheme and write it next to the poem. So look at the last word, lamb. You would put A. Snow, if it doesn't rhyme with the first, then you use the next letter. Went, if it doesn't rhyme with the first and second, then you use the third letter. And then go, if it rhymes with whatever words, you put the letter. So in this case, I would say A, B, C, B, right? Now, you're going to continue. Day, if it doesn't rhyme with anything from above, then you're going to go with the next letter. So keep checking these sentences out. And whatever it ends up, like lamb, like I said, would be A. Snow does not rhyme with lamb, so you put a B. Went does not rhyme with lamb or snow, so you put a C. And then go rhymes with one of these words, so you put the letter it rhymes with. So continue on. Day, does it rhyme with any of that? If not, put the next letter. Ruse, does it rhyme with any of that? Okay, so you'll go on. This is considered as one poem. So you will go and figure this out according to that poem, what the letter is. Then on the last page, it is another poem. So starting from the beginning on the last page, go ahead and write down the letter associated with that. Okay, I have been acquainted with the night. Okay, I have walked out in the rain and back in rain. Okay, does rain and night rhyme? No, so it should be two different letters. I have walked the furthest city light. Does light rhyme with rain or night? Okay, if it rhymes with night, then put the same letter that you had for night. I have looked down the saddest city lane. If lane, does it rhyme with light? No. Does it rhyme with rain? Yes. So put the same letter that you would put for rain. Okay? And that's how you do the rhyme scheme. So you are going to do slides 16, 17, and 18. Okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your language arts teachers. Have fun with it and sound the words out completely so that you will know what rhyme scheme to put in it. Okay, good luck everyone. Have fun. Bye.